Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. 1 plus tan x squared, that is about secant of x squared, and secant of x, that is about 1 over cosine x. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this one and this one, we have secant of x to the power of 4. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have cosine x to the power of 4. And this one, that is about cosine x to the power of 5. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, this one we change for u, and we have u to the power of 5. Sine x dx we change for negative du. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of number 5 plus 1 over number 5 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have number 6. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.